David. What are you up to?
Final touches, 1393 Annapolis Way in San Jose. This beautiful property offers a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath. By the way, this is David Azimi with Atero Listed Services. I am bringing you another jewel in San Jose, California with top-rated schools. Take a tour. Tell me what you think. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property, 1393 Annapolis Way in San Jose. If you have any further questions, you can reach me via text, email, and a quick phone call. Like I always say on my videos, catch you on the next one.